OnePlus 8 series design details confirmed ahead of April 14 launch. OnePlus 8 series design details have been confirmed just days ahead of its official launch. The company's CEO Pete Lau has revealed that OnePlus is set to offer its 5th-generation matte frosted glass finish on the new smartphones. The company claims that the new design on the OnePlus 8 models will not just make it attractive but also provide a comfortable grip. Additionally, a video has been released by OnePlus to show off the OnePlus 8 series in glacial green color option. In a forum post, Pete Lau has mentioned that OnePlus has retained the matte frosted glass design for the OnePlus 8 series that was a part of previous smartphones by the company. The new phones are, however, claimed to offer some advancements. In the OnePlus 8 series, we've managed to achieve the 5th generation of matte frosted glass using a new crafting process. To me, this is OnePlus' best CMF, color, material, finishing, to date. It is sure to astonish and impress anyone who touches it. The back of the OnePlus 8 models is touted to have a smooth and fine texture that feels just as warm and comfortable as the first-generation silk white cover available on the OnePlus One. There is also a 3D curved design for an ergonomic experience in hand. OnePlus 8 series would be thinner and lighter over the previous generation OnePlus phones. Further, there will be a new degree of haze to better reflect changes in light intensity and provide a relatively balanced transparency to users. The individual colors radiate through the misty material, giving off a dynamic and spirited appearance. The glass back we're presenting to you this time strikes a perfect balance between fine texture and visual comfort, the executive noted. In addition to the forum post, OnePlus has released a teaser video showing the glacial green color option of the OnePlus 8 series. This is notably the same color that Lau revealed through a teaser image posted on his Weibo account on Thursday. It is still unclear whether the glacial green color option will be exclusive to one of the new smartphones or will be available on both OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro. If we believe the rumors, the new color would be available on the OnePlus 8, alongside the Onyx Black and Interstellar Glow. The OnePlus 8 Pro, on the other hand, is rumored to come in Onyx Black and Ultramarine Blue alongside the green color option. That being said, the OnePlus 8 series launch is taking place on April 14. The company is likely to reveal all the color options only at the official launch. Meanwhile, it is expected to release some additional teasers to attract eyeballs before the debut. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.